how to make Plarn. Plarn is yarn made out of plastic. The Plarn that we make will be crocheted by the SGA and other clubs in the high school into mats that we will donate to the homeless population of Fluvanna to keep them safe, dry, and warm. The first step, you're going to take your bag and make sure it's nice and flat. You're going to fold it over one time, and then you're going to fold it over a second time. Now we're going to cut off these ends here. So we're going to cut this part and this part. The lines don't have to be perfect, it's fine. And then you're going to take it and you're going to cut strips. And I personally like to make mine pretty thick because the plastic is obviously very thin, so if you do a thin strip, it's just going to fall apart and it's not going to be great. So I like to cut them like this thick. Alrighty, and now that you have your strips, you're going to open them up, and they should look something like this. And then you're going to start connecting them. So you're going to take one, the other one through, and put that through the loop. And then you're going to pull it nice and tight so it's really secure. And you're just going to continue doing that until you have a super long string. And then at the end of the process, you should have a whole ball of yarn using all your plastic bags. And once you have your ball of yarn, you're going to return that to the box that you got your plastic bags from. Thank you.